Hey there, in today's video, I will show you how to get the Merry Spruce Christmas Tree Shield in Monopoly Go. And here is how. Step 1. Open Monopoly Go. Ensure you have the game installed on your device and log into your account. Once you are in, you will notice a new album waiting for you. Navigate to the bottom of the screen and tap on the album icon. Step 2. Choose the right album. In the album section, locate and select the Santa's Workshop album. This is where you will find the set that grants you the Merry Spruce Christmas Tree Shield along with other awesome rewards. Step 3. Understand the rewards. Before you start collecting stickers, understand the rewards you will earn upon completing the set: 325 dice, 179 million Monopoly money, and, of course, the Merry Spruce Christmas Tree Shield. As of now, there are 32 days and 9 hours left to complete the set. Step 4. Collect stickers. Now, let us talk about stickers. There are multiple ways to collect them. Win the daily tournament to receive sticker packs as rewards. Participate in in-game events like Heartfelt Holidays to reach milestones and earn sticker packs. Step 5. Complete property sets. Do not forget to complete your property sets. Landing on and completing these sets will spin the wheel, granting you additional sticker packs. Step 6. Join the Facebook group. For a strategic move, head back to the album and check out the associated Facebook group. Connect with other players, trade duplicates, and ask for missing stickers to speed up your collection process. Step 7. Celebrate your success. Once you have collected all the stickers, celebrate your success as you claim the Merry Spruce Christmas Tree Shield. And that's it. You have mastered the art of obtaining this festive shield in Monopoly Go.